Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install Windows application to run Windows application on the Android phone. Also how to run EXE files as well on the Android smartphone. This you can use it to run install most EXE files that you want to use on your on from your PC into your Android phone to make it convenient and easy for your work. So without further ado, let me just show you how to do this. Before we begin, you're going to download this file, which I'm going to put in the comment section of this video. This file, I'm going to leave in the comment section. This is what you're going to install first. So let me show you. I'll first of all download an exe file to show you that this actually works. So I'm going to go over to my Chrome and I will download UC browser exe file for PC. Yeah, that's the one we're going to use. So I think I'll go to this website, how to download it. Then I'm going to go to the latest version and just click on download. I'm not actually going to download it because I've already downloaded this exe file on this phone before for the sake of this tutorial. You can also install WinRAR on. You can also download WinRAR exe file, maybe also DirectX in order to run the graphics on the phone, because that's what most Windows application need in order to run apps, in order to run APKs and exe files on the PC. But we're using a phone, not a PC, so maybe DirectX, Microsoft Net, and so on. So after downloading this, I'm going to head on back to the application, this zip file that I'm going to leave in the comment section. I'm going to extract it here. After, just wait for a couple seconds. After extracting it here, I'll open the folder. Then this is the OBB, this is the APK of the file. So I'll first of all extract the OBB here. After extracting it here, I'll copy the OBB, copy anyone. And I'll head on over to my Android folder, to the OBB section. I'll paste it there. After pasting it, I'll go back to the folder that I extracted, which is this Windows, and I'll install this APK. So after installing, I just have to open, allow, and let the APK read the OBB and install other files that it will need in order to make the app function properly. So I just have to wait for, I think, 1 minute or so, or some seconds. Just have to wait a little longer. Sorry for that appeared. I think I was clicking the icon, that's why it appeared. But if you don't click the icon, I don't think it will appear on your own device. Even if it does, just click cancel. So after that, our application is open. So this is the application over here. So I just have to open it back. Then I'll click on desktop, click on my computer, click on this plus sign over here to create container. Then I have to first of all edit this container to my own pace. The graphics, I have to set the graphics at 32 bits. I'll leave the control at default, but the default controls, I think I'll remove these ones. You have to fit my screen size and to help me zoom in and zoom out. So after that, just have to launch the container. Wait, launch. So yeah, the application I've launched so far. This is tutorial everything. Can read through, but I'm just go straight to the point. So once the application is launched, it will automatically open just the download folder in your mobile phone. Yes, you can zoom in, you can zoom out, any of those two, you can click the start button and other stuff, just like a regular PC, just like how you operate a regular PC and all that stuff. But let me just, this is the EXE file I installed just to show it works, because I don't want to make this video is actually too long now. I don't want to make the video too long now, so just, sorry, I think that was, no, that was the wrong one. To double click on the UC browser. Yes, just starts installing soon. Yeah, this was the wrong one I clicked, so I just click OK because I don't need it to be popping up on my screen. So you see this is the browser, download and install. Also just click OK. See it over here, just begun to download and install. So once it completes all its process, everything will be done. Yeah, to see it's just dead, but I won't want to install it because I just use it for the sake of this tutorial. I didn't actually want to use it for anything much. So that's just how you can run EXE files on your Android phone. You can also install WinRAR, all those other files you need to make this work. So thank you so much for viewing. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends that need it, and let's help the community grow. Thanks a lot. I'll shut it down. So.